This is my room at the Best Western Holmwood Hotel and Restaurant, or New Home, I don't know. Here's the name. It's a Best Western brand, supposedly. So it's a hotel, not a B&B. Although they do have a restaurant and they do have breakfast. It costs extra. So here's my room. I've already messed it up a little bit, but it comes with a water kettle, 2 mugs, very nice, thingies, 2 cookies, very nice, alarm, a desk, an actual desk, which is great for me, hair dryer there, hello, full-length mirror, this thing for my suitcase, a chair, a TV, a wardrobe. I'm on the first floor, so I don't have a great view. I'm also like way in the back, which is it's like 3 doors and a staircase. It's weird, but I do have this, I guess it's a nice garden view with a window, and then radiator, obviously, bedside table with a phone and free water, hell yeah, a king size bed, ta-da, and then over here is another bedside table with another water, very nice, little reading lamps. Here's the bathroom. Okay, so it's got, you know, the standard 2 faucets, another big mirror, hello, a heated towel rack, and it was already turned on when I got here. This is the bathtub. So an actual bathtub with shower head as well, and it's pretty deep. Toilet. Now, unfortunately, the toilet is the push button kind again, but you know. And toilet roll, back of the door. It's kind of hard to show this room because it's bigger than the B&B rooms, but it's still kind of small. So this is the view from the entrance. It has a fan, which is also very nice. Yeah, so I'm here for 3 nights until Wednesday. Yay!